Welcome to this Procuman e-procurement software tutorial where we'll show you how to open a new tender and how to evaluate supplier bids. First, log in to the Procuman e-procurement software with your user account. Then go to Requisitions and select an approved requisition. In this case, we will choose an approved requisition for a new laptop computer and a screen. In the requisition right-hand corner, choose the button Create RFX. This will create a new tendering record including information from this approved requisition. You may now view the new tender under the Tender's RFX Requests menu item. Edit the tender and add any other information, like the publishing dates, and bidding start and end dates. Also add any specific product questions that suppliers will need to answer when submitting bids. Here we want to evaluate how much memory the computer has. Select the suppliers that you will want to invite for this tender. In this case, we select all suppliers. You can also add additional items to this tender from other requisitions. When the tender is ready, then change the status to Publishing Pending and save the tender. Note that the tender can only be edited when it is in draft status. Now, tender will be automatically published in Supplier Portal when the publishing starts. Supplier users listed in sub-panel called Contact Access will have access to this tender in the Supplier Portal. Let's look how to evaluate a bid. When supplier submits a bid for the tender, a new bid record will appear in the bidding sub-panel. Click on the bid number to open it for evaluation. Go to the Evaluation tab. Scroll down and first enter the scoring for the supplier's answers for the tender questions. Scoring scale is between 0 and 100. Here we give our score for the amount of memory and disk the supplier is offering in his bid. Then edit the bid to enter the other scoring results. You can evaluate the overall offered solution or product, the pricing, the delivery timelines, and the vendor capability. The weight of each score can be changed if the default value is not correct. Note that the sum of all weights needs to be 100%. Once scoring is done and the record is saved, the overall total bid score is calculated. In the RFQ bid list, you can filter and compare the bids. Hopefully, this gives you an understanding of how to create tenders within Procuman. Please see our other tutorials for further assistance with Procuman e-procurement software.